in this video. The Ethereum price action is looking strong right now as it is currently holding a very strong support. And guys, we need to take a quick look with the Bitcoin at price as right now we are currently holding the line, especially with the bigger time frame. Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So as you can see right now, the Bitcoin price is pretty much holding this strong support pa din, which is the 50-week MA. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, this area is actually also a strong area kasi dun tayo nagkaroon ng bounce noong nagkaroon ng Bitcoin crash noong September red month, and right now we are at that similar area. So right now, what I'm still expecting for the Bitcoin price is somewhat to consolidate or somehow magkaroon ng bounce dyan with this 50-week MA. Now, ang kailangan nyo din intindihin dito guys is this is a weekly time frame chart. So, this might actually take longer time for us to follow. Kasi yun nga, since it's not in the shorter time frame, it's in the bigger time frame, it's not actually a very good thing for very short-term traders. So if I were you, if nag-follow ka na smaller time frame or nag-trade ka for the very small time frame, then yes, papakita natin mamaya yung shorter time frame. Pero right now, this analysis is for the bigger time frame, especially sa buong market. Kasi we all know na yung ating crypto market is dependent heavily with the Bitcoin price action, diba? So right now, ito yung ating Bitcoin price action for the time being. So you can see na pwede tayo mag-consolidate dun sa area na yan, and it's actually a good thing kasi we all know na the longer na we delay the bull market, the more na mas tatagal yung ating bull market. Kasi alam natin na the more na dinadelay natin yung pump, the more na mas tatagal yung ating bull market. And that's actually true given the fact na yung ating Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, yung ating matagal na pina-follow, has indicated na we are still at the halfway point pa din ng crypto market, indicating na we are still consolidating pa din with the market. As you can see, ever since the start of January, we have been pretty much consolidating for the past 1 year na pala actually. So right now, we are still at a very good area pa din with the Bitcoin price action. So if gusto nyo pa din humabol, then right now, it's still looking good pa din with the Bitcoin price action. And a good thing to consider din dito is if you're going to look at that sa ating upper regression band, you can see na ating upper regression band as time goes by, mas tumataas yung ating market cycle top, yung forecasted market cycle top. Dati ang forecasted market cycle top was around 106K lang. Pero as you can see, dahil tumagal yung bull market, yung ating forecasted na market cycle top has already increased to about 150 to 160,000 US dollars. So as you can see, maganda talaga na delay yung ating bull market kasi in that case, mas tumataas yung ating market cycle top. In that case, we all know na time is on our side. Yung sinasabi nila na lengthening cycle as well as diminishing return, as you can see, mas tumatagal yung ating bull market, the more na mas tumataas yung ating market cycle top, and as well as, nagkakaroon tayo ng mas malaking momentum to pump to the upside. So right now, I think we are still looking healthy. Look at that, wala din tayong sell volume. So right now, I don't think na it's a good time to sell. It's a good time to buy. If I were you, just buy the dip using dollar cost average strategy. And with that being said, let's look at the smaller time frame. So as you can see sa smaller time frame, still not much to talk about kasi yeah, it's pretty much too early to tell pa. As you can see, nag-oversold tayo sa ating Bitcoin RSI in the shorter time frame, but I don't think that there's much to say pa ngayon kasi it's very early pa. Pwede pa kasi siya, let's say, magkaroon ng decline. Mag-decline pa siya once again, and then let's say umakit yung RSI niya, then doon na tayo mag-form ng bullish divergence, which is sa ngayon, hindi pa nag-form. So right now, wala pa tayong gagawin ngayon. Just buy the dip sa spot wallet, wala munang futures trading, abang-abang nyo muna itong movement na mag-form ng panibagong indicators. So right now, huddle muna, keep calm, and just buy the dip in spot wallet. So that is for the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon or BingX kasi dito mas mura yung ating Bitcoin trading fees. And as usual, if you want to claim bonus ito kay Bingbon, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So that is for the Bitcoin price. Now let's talk about Ethereum price action kasi right now, as you can see, Ethereum is actually pretty much holding a very strong support at the 4K area. So right now, 4K area has been a pretty strong support dito kay Ethereum. Swerte ka if nakapag-buy ka ng wick kay Ethereum around the 3.5K. Pero as you can see, Ethereum is actually holding a very strong support at this 4K level, indicating na we are at a good buying opportunity. Now, on top of that, nagkakaroon din tayo ng panibagong resistance area, and that is actually around this 4.8K, around the 4.7K up until the 4.8K. So, may panibagong resistance area nag-form kay Ethereum. So, right now, I think it's a very swing tradable opportunity. What you can do is actually buy at the support na 4K, sell at the 4.7K. And then in that case, you can actually swing trade Ethereum with that sideway action. So you can actually trade, kasi look at this, guys. It's actually a pretty big move if you're going to trade between the 4K up until the 4.7K, and that is actually 17% move. So that is actually a good swing tradable opportunity right now for the Ethereum price action. You can actually do that. And yeah, pero right now, it's pretty much too early to tell pa din, especially with the Bitcoin price just moving sideways. And as you can see, yung ating previous analysis kay Ethereum is nakalapag pa din, and we are still inside this descending triangle na nag-form within this Ethereum price action. Nag-try tayo mag-breakout, but actually, sadly, dahil nagkaroon ng dip si Bitcoin, naapektuhan si Ethereum. So as you can see, naapektuhan si Ethereum dahil kay Bitcoin dip, and now we are still consolidating within this area nitong 4K up until the 4.7K. So right now, Ethereum is actually looking good right now for us to follow. So if you've been buying Ethereum, especially if nag-buy ka ng dip kay Ethereum, you can see na you are already in profits of at least 20% if nag-buy ka ng dip. Ako personally, nag-buy ako ng dip kay Ethereum. Di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo, buy lang ako ng buy ng dip following dollar cost average. And yeah, right now, I'm already in profits with Ethereum in spot wallet alone. And yeah, so yun yung ating minomonitor right now with Ethereum price action. And also, gusto ko din pakitaan kayo na update with the BNB price action. As you can see, after forming this resistance, nagkaroon tayo actually ng dump after this resistance kasabay ng Bitcoin dip. And right now, we are now actually holding a strong support at the $506, which is actually a Fibonacci support area. So right now, BNB is actually holding two lines na nag-act as a resistance and support. And that is actually the $506 as a support, and then ang resistance is around the $658. So right now, as for BNB, i-hide muna natin yung Fibonacci retracement. You can actually see na meron tayo nag-form na support and resistance area. So yun yung ating i-monitor right now with the BNB price action, as we can actually swing trade this moving sideways. So yeah, just like Ethereum, you can actually swing trade that. But right now, we are looking good with the BNB price action. And last but not the least, let's talk about CRO quickly, kasi look at this. CRO has now declined. And as you can see, if you're going to look at the RSI, it's now a good buying opportunity with CRO kasi nag-oversold tayo. Look at that, umabot na tayo ng 30 threshold, indicating na that is a good buying time na for CRO. So if gusto nyo pumasok kayo ng CRO, now is actually the best time to buy CRO. And guys, if you want to trade or buy CRO, you can actually buy CRO in crypto.com kasi dito, dito mo lang actually mamabay at masastake si CRO. And guys, if you want to buy and stake CRO, you can actually buy CRO in crypto.com kasi of course, yun yung native token ng crypto.com. And ang kagandahan, if kumuha ka ng CRO sa crypto.com, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card na pwede mo makuha upon staking CRO. And guys, if you want to claim up to $50 bonus, you can actually use my sign-up link, which is you can find in the description down below, or you can actually use my sign-up code, which is GabsCrypto. Sign up lang kayo doon and then just stake, and then you can actually get that bonus, and then makuha nyo itong beautiful metal Visa card. So yun muna update natin for tonight. Medyo na-late tayo ngayon, but at least nakapagbigay tayo ng update. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.